Thank you very much. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Buhay na buhay ang cycling sa Pilipinas. Kaya naman, meron tayong official launch ng Larga Pilipinas. Ako po si Judith Caringal, Radyo Pilipinas 2 Sports Radio.
Ako po si DJ Bobby, radio disc jockey, pero dahil sa passion sa cycling, tinulungan ako ni Snow para maging reporter sa cycling.
Ako po si Randy Kaluwag ng Manila Standard and nasabi mo nga partner, this is the official launch ng Larga Pilipinas 2025 and we are broadcast via live stream sa page ng Larga Pilipinas. So we ask everyone, our friends, the cycling fans and the community, like and share po tayo ng ating live stream and also you can post your questions so we can answer later on sa ating media question and answer portion later.
Ano nga ba ang Larga Pilipinas, DJ Bobby?
Yes, Larga Pilipinas, I'm very, very happy dahil nung binubuo ito, naku-conceptualize, nandun ako sa tabi ng founder. Naririnig ko yung gusto niya. You know what, ladies and gentlemen and cycling fans? Larga Pilipinas is very special kasi nga, very knowledgeable, alam niya, and lagi siyang nasa in action pag nag-go-cover and then mingle with the cycling fans and mga sponsors and everything. Kaya kung ano yung tungkol sa bawat departamento ng karera, alam ng founder.
Yes.
Kaya very special siya. You know what? It started 2018 sa Marikina, pero yung second leg, same year, you know what happened? First time na nagkaroon ng cycling race sa EDSA.
EDSA?
Yeah. Hindi lang yung nag-cycling sa EDSA, nag-cycling race. 10,000 participants po ang sumama. Pero hindi lang yun Ito pa yung pinakamatindi doon. Walang naiwan na cycling fans at cycling enthusiasts. Kasi lahat, ultimo defaulting na bisikleta, may karera. Pati yung fixed gear. Basta lahat yan. Because knowledgeable and may passion po yung founder. Wala, hindi na pa siya kilala. Sabi nga niya, si Snow Bando po yung tinutukoy ko So, Larga Pilipinas, ito po ang karera na hindi kayo spectator lang, kundi ay yung pinili talaga ng ating founder na maging competitor pa kayo. Kaya naman, ang cycling po, let me borrow or let me share to you the favorite line of the founder of Larga Pilipinas na si Snow Bando. Ito po yun. Exciting ang cycling.
Kaya larga na.
Larga.
Yes, alam niyo, this early marami tayong supporters and guests here na narito ngayon. But the first, we would like to acknowledge muna yung ating mga very important persons dito sa presidential table. Then later on, we will ask for your short messages. And then later on, question and answer. So, acknowledgement muna sa ating mga VIPs, Beginning, ladies first, sabi nga, Field Cycling Elite Commissar para sa ating cycling standards. Yan, si Miss Sunshine Joy Vallejos. Good morning po.
Sunshine.
And of course, ang may vision and inspiration ng Larga Pilipinas, si Attorney Froy Daico, the chairman. And ang operations director and of course, nasabi na nga kanina ni DJ Bobby, the man behind, Mr. Snow Bando.
So we would like to say thank you sa ating mga sponsors to the college, Viva Premier Gaming, 888 Horsemen Group Incorporated, Red Dynasty Seafood and Hot Pot Restaurant, Fino Sportswear, Star Horse Shipping Lines, Chicky Farm, by the Smart Resources Corporation, Easy So, Scratch It, Go for Gold, Surecom Wireless Communication Services for two-way radios, Colby's Best Tournament is sanctioned by Field Cycling, Colby's Best Southern Blend Foods Corporation, Carlos PH, Chris Bautista, and again, tournament is sanctioned by Field Cycling.
Yes. Okay. And we would like to acknowledge our special guest this morning in this official launch of Larga Pilipinas, our project director, Ma'am Bernadette Guerrero. Ma'am Bernadette, good morning. Long time no see. from Standard Insurance, okay, Coach Reynard Gorantes. Good morning. And alongside another coach, Coach Joey De Los Reyes from Standard Insurance Philippines, Continental team na to. Likewise, one promising rider in Dave Cangayaw. Good morning, Dave. And of course, si Kate Yasmin Velasco Aquino. Welcome to Larga Pilipinas launch. We have also, we do expect friends from Di Reyna, okay? Cycling team, likewise, Excellent Nudos, siguro parating palang Exodus Cycling, Victoria Sports Pro, and Go for Gold. So later we'll be having them. And of course, special acknowledgement to Film Cycling Board member, Jojo Villa. Good morning. Nice to have you dito po sa ating official launch. And of course, to all distinguished guests from different media entities, welcome po.
Yes, partner, maraming salamat. And of course, ngayon, hihingan na natin ng short messages ang ating mga VIP